That looks like the UPS guy in the post office finally like us again. This was priority mail from the mailman. Coming to you direct from Midway. Ah, happiness. New Lapua brass. New burger bullets. And a new set of dies. Well, we got us another package. Seems like I've been busy with the new packages. Stuff in there. We're kind of changing a few things around this year. Some of our loading setup, and as you can see, that is a K&M arbor press, and it has the force pack. This comes with the this is set up with the high force, or the regular force pack, with a little dial indicator on there. And I also purchased the light one, you know, for our lighter tension on our necks. We're paying real close attention to our neck tension, so I thought it'd be nice to have a gauge or a meter to help us actually see what kind of tensions we're getting, other than, you know, going by feel. You know, when I'm using the other press, I'm kind of feeling if they feel the same. With this thing here, I will be able to look at the meter and see if it's saying the same. But you've probably, but the cat is probably already out of the bag what we're up to here. We got us a couple of new rifles finally. One of them we had ordered for, it feels like half a year before we finally got our hands on it, and we had ordered another one and actually have acquired it too. And they're both a Creedmoor. One of them is a 6mm Creedmoor, and the other one is a 6.5 Creedmoor. So I thought it would be interesting to have a little shoot off between the two of them and see which one would actually come out on the better end of this. And they are both factory precision rifles. Let me see if I can get those for you, because there they sit right there. First one we have here is a Bergara. It is their B14 series rifle. This is their match precision rifle. This one is chambered in 6.5 Creedmoor, Has a 24-inch barrel, 1 1/8 twist. The barrel is also threaded, so you can put our suppressor on there or a good brake on there. The chassis is their chassis. It's actually an aluminum chassis. BMP it's called. It's Bergara Match Precision. Adjustable cheek rest on there. They've got some really nice knobs on these things for adjusting. I kind of like that. You can get a hold of it real good and get it good and snug. The rear piece on here is also adjustable, and it's kind of scalloped, so it kind of locks in on for your length of pull in certain spots. The rear has a little thumb wheel on it, and you can adjust this butt pad however you need it, however you want it. So that's kind of nice. So that's a pretty fully adjustable chassis, in my opinion. AR style pistol grip, Remington style trigger. So we'll be able to buy some nice aftermarket triggers for this thing. The magazines, basically your ASCI, or your single feed mag in there, just like everybody else has. 6.5 Creedmoor Bergara. The next one we acquired is a Savage 110, and it's their Elite Precision. This one is chambered in 6mm Creedmoor with a 26-inch barrel, and I believe that's a 1 7.5 twist on that. And it is sitting on one of MDT's ACC chassis. So everybody knows these chassis, they're fully adjustable. It's got all the same adjustments on there. It actually comes with a metal magazine, 20 MOA rail, and this one actually has a full-length Arca slide on there, plus your M-lock attachment points. 6mm Creedmoor. Savage Elite Precision. I do have 2 boxes of 6mm Creedmoor. I do not have any for the 6.5, and we're probably not going to shoot this. We're probably not going to use this right off. We're going to run with our hand loads. The components we're going to be using on the 6mm to start off, we've got some Nosler brass. I've got 100 pieces of that. That's pretty much just a standard brass. We're going to turn all these necks. I'm going to cut the high spots. This Nosler has some pretty thick necks. I think I measured them out about 18 thousandths, and that's a little bit more than what I would like to see on there. So we're probably going to cut them down pretty good. We're going to be using a standard set of RCBS dies on a 6mm Creedmoor. It's just regular bullet cedar size and die, full length size and die. It's going to be using 105 grain, the hybrid match bullets, Federal match large rifle primers, and of course our good old friend Hodgdon. The 6.5 on the Bergara, we're going to be using this Lapua brass. These necks are a lot better, but they're also going to get evened out. There's probably a thousandth difference on these necks. I'll go ahead and knock that off to make them all nice and even. These are small primer pockets on these, so we'll be using the Federal Match small primers with them. They're going to be running the 144 grain Bergara match bullets, and the setup we're using on that is our new K&M arbor press. Dies we have for that. This is a full-length sizing die with a neck bushing. It uses a bushing for the neck size, so I'll be able to get a precise bushing in there for the necks. I will also be running a mandrel. I use a mandrel on all these things. I'll use one for the 6. I don't have one for the 6.5 yet, but I'll be getting one for the 6.5. So those necks will be expanded back out, you know, pretty evenly. So the necks, I'm hoping the necks are going to end up as consistent with each other as I can. So there's not going to be disadvantage with running different necks on there. Bullet seating with this one, of course, we'll be using our one-piece setup where you basically set your round in there, and then you can run down on it and press it down into your brass, and I have got a dial on there that I'll be able to read how much tension's actually going on there. This setup here, I'll still be doing it by hand, trying to feel it the same way I've done with my other rifles. The advantage to the 6.5 is we've got better brass, better dies, a little more control over how these things are being loaded, and we're using our same favorite Hodgdon powder in both the 6 and in the 6.5. So just kind of curious to see what the results are. You know, we've got a little bit of difference here. I can't really guess. I know how that 6mm is going to shoot, and I got a pretty good idea how that 6.5 is going to shoot. So I'm still not real sure which one's going to come out on top of this thing. If you guys want to make a guess, drop a guess down in the comments down there and see which one you think is going to come out. The 6.5 and the Bergara, or the 6 Creedmoor with the Savage. Just kind of let me know what you think, and we'll see where we go from there. But I just wanted to kind of let you know where we're headed this year, and we're going to make a little series out of this and see how well these things will do. We'll catch you next time.